This is Live Right Now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with my small bathroom tour. I have changed this bathroom around a few times. When you have a bathroom that has a small space, especially in an apartment building where you can't do certain things you could in a home, you have to be a little creative with the things that you come up with, especially having a small space. And hopefully I can record this well enough so you can be able to see what I did. If you want to see how I jazzed up my small apartment bathroom, you know what you got to do. Keep watching. Here is my bathroom. Very, 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 very small apartment bathroom. You have brown bathroom components, and as with any rental, is basically very neutral, and you have to work with what they have. And you can see it's very, very small. And I don't like the fact that they only have one wall right here that can be like your accent wall, but there's a towel rack right there. So that's not gonna work. So, cause to me, when you come in, you want to see something grand there. So I'm thinking about moving the towel rack either over here on this wall or behind this door. I haven't decided yet, but I want to give you an overview of the bathroom so you can see how it's gonna look. And I think I'm putting contact paper on that light. I haven't decided yet. I've done a couple of things with it. This is the before. I'm about to go in here and make it over, clean it up really well, and I'll be back. Here is the after. As I go along, I'm going to let you know how I came up with everything and where I purchased the items from. But this is just a quick overview. And I feel like it's key when you're decorating any room to start off with a focal point or an item that you really love and go from there as far as how you want things to look, and also that you don't get off task as far as the colors. And also it's a good way to make sure everything is uniform. And I started off with these candle holders. I got them from Offer Up. And I also got this candlestick that I added on myself to a Dollar Tree candlestick, but the candle holder itself came from Home Goods. That little box I hauled it before, it came from Hobby Lobby. I used that to put whatever earrings that I'm wearing to wash the makeup off my face, or also in the morning if I didn't remember to put some studs in there. And I made sure that I wanted to have the smoke gray and the gold and the silver throughout the bathroom, and also my rhinestone. I also got this holder from Home Goods, and I have my hand soap in there. And I also have it sitting on a Dollar Tree mirror. And a tip I got from Miss Sharon She So Fabulous: you always want to shop from your own home. And this was in my hallway. I purchased it from Home Goods. It's a candle holder that I put my paper towels in. And this here is my focal point that I have here in my bathroom. It's this beautiful mosaic art piece that I got from Offer Up. Believe it or not, I have one in my bedroom. I had both of them in my bedroom at first, but one I got from Pier 1, the other one I got for Offer Up for 40 bucks. And I just put in little mirror towels myself to fix it because it had missing some pieces. That's why I got it so cheap. Don't forget that tip. Offer Up is a good way to go. And so I like the mirror that was in it. It has a silver and a brush of like a gold bronze color. So I got this box here from Ross, and you see it's also gold with the same mirror effect, little box mirror effect. And then I got these curtains from Home Goods, and yes, you can put regular curtains in the bathroom. Just make sure you put a clear liner behind it. And then I added these curtains that I also shop for my home. They were in my living room. I got this idea from Sharon She So Fabulous. But I used to have them hanging with window clips in my living room, but I hot glued it to fit the shower rod here in my bathroom, and I love it there. Again, it has the same square look. That's what made me put them in there. And the ones I made would hit the floor perfectly, but the ones that I got from Home Goods are a little bit longer, but it doesn't bother me that it drags a little bit. And here I go again with the same theme. I shop for my home, and I wanted to put these pictures up because they were in my living room, my last home, and I wanted to use them again, and I couldn't figure out where to use them after being in my place almost 9 months now. I was so excited to be able to use them in my bathroom. I think they work perfectly. I will leave the video down below showing you exactly how I painted those. And then in these apocryphy jars, I have different things you may need in the bathroom or someone that comes over. You know, a body puff, toothbrush, Q-tips, soap. You can put whatever you like. That's just what I have in mind. Of course, the clock so you can know what time it is. I got the clock from Home Goods, and I have all of those items sitting on this mirrored tray that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. I got this mirrored end table again from Offer Up. And under that, I have a basket that I got from the thrift store filled with extra tissue rolls. Inside this mirrored table, I have stored some extra washcloths. And on the other side of the bathroom, I have these 3 mirrors that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, again with the bronze and mirrored thing. And then since I took the towel rack down, I'm not sure where I want to put it. So in the meanwhile, I have this single hook to put any towel or washcloth I want to dry for right now. And here I have one final look at the finished results of the bathroom. I'm going to give you an all the way around look, and I wanted to also mention I have a rug here on the floor. I purchased that from Ross. But hopefully you liked my bathroom tour and you got some helpful tips that will help you in your small space. Make sure that you thumbs this video up, share it, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.